everybody. We're here at the Garden Night Market in Tainan. It's one of the biggest ones in Tainan and one of the bigger night markets in Taiwan. And yeah, I think we're just gonna roam around, maybe get into some games, and maybe we'll find something to eat. It's like ridiculously crowded. I mean, like exiting a rock concert kind of crowded. So many people here. I think because the weather's really nice tonight. I'm sure that has something to do with it. I mean, it's a nice cool breeze, so everyone's out.
I think this night market is the most crowded in Taiwan.
It seems like it. Alright, so we're gonna do some games here. For 50 NT, you get 7 darts. You pop some balloons, you win some prizes. I assume. I have to get 7 of them to win anything, so that's not bad though. I got 4. It was pretty cool. Except you have to hit 7 out of 8, and you only get 7 darts, so you basically can't miss at all. So yeah, that seems a little rigged, no? 100% to win anything.
This is like a circle, and then you just like throw it out and then see if you can catch anything. If you can catch, then that prize is yours. I failed everything.
I got one.
You did it?
Yeah, this one. Cool. That's my prize. Cool. Alright, so I got one. It's like mahjong bobbly thing. Here you go. Alright, so it looks like this game, you have to roll the golf ball onto a black square, and then you get some kind of doll prize.
It's really hard.
Actually, I almost got it that one time. So one thing I'm realizing is there's no participation prizes on any of this game. You either win or you get nothing. Let's give this a shot. Oh, pretty good. The wrapper is made of like rice flour, so it's really gooey and nice, and yeah, I'm a fan of this. I like the ones in Tainan more because they're steamed, whereas the ones you'll find in Taipei are like maybe a little flatter and rounder, and they're poached in oil. Alright, cool. That was pretty tasty. You just kind of plop down at one of the seats and you order it up. Very cool. So we found a Stinky tofu place, and gonna go for some fried ones. I think most Westerners think it's pretty gross, but I enjoy it. Stinky tofu's here. Oh wow. That pickled cabbage is pretty nice. Nice and sour and sweet. So this has some serious garlic action on it. I mean, that wasn't the best one I've had, but it was nice for a snack. Now we're on the hunt for a little more food. We found some grilled mochi sticks with honey. Or super gooey, a little sweet from the honey. It's not a flavor powerhouse, but it's not bad. So this is like rare beef, and then they pour a hot soup over the top of it. I usually have it with Anita and her parents on Sunday. It's not that hot and I'm feeling a little soupy, so I'm gonna give this a shot. Some serious, the soup usually has like a very blood forward taste because the meat is put in raw. So it's kind of like pho in a way. Yeah, the meat is actually super tender. It's kind of surprising. Sometimes you might get a bad version and the beef's really tough, but this one, surprisingly, at a night market is pretty nice. Oh. This is hard to find outside of Tainan as well. So we're heading up to Taipei soon, so I'm gonna get my fill of all the Tainan specialties.
A lot of people in Tainan have this soup for the breakfast, so it's really common in the south of Taiwan, especially in Taiwan. This is the night market must have, like an ice cream spring roll. I translate into English it's ice cream spring roll, but I guess it's like a burritos as well. So cold. I got a chocolate and taro ice cream, and it also has peanuts inside. I haven't had this for a while.
Alright everyone, that was a experience. It was really crowded, really packed. It's mostly young people, but yeah, I would say it's recommended if you're in the area. The food's not bad. They have a really wide variety, and the size of the market it's pretty expansive. I mean, it's hard to find space like this in most major cities. Like in Taipei, it'd be pretty tough to get a market of this size. So yeah, this is set like almost in a fairgrounds, so it's pretty big. Alright, so if you want to keep seeing content like this, make sure to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video as well. So, alright, we'll see you in the next one.